Welcome to a journey through time and style. Imagine walking into a home where every corner tells a story of nostalgia and warmth, blending seamlessly with sleek, modern comforts. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of Granny Chic decor and how it perfectly complements the rustic charm of a modern farmhouse. From floral patterns and vintage furniture to cozy, inviting spaces that feel both chic and lived in, get ready to transform your home into a picturesque haven that marries the best of old-world charm with contemporary flair. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to creating a space that's as welcoming as it is stylish. Welcome to our cozy corner, where today we're merging the rustic charm of modern farmhouse style with the heartwarming nostalgia of Granny Chic decor. In this video, we'll dive into why Granny Chic is sweeping the design world, bringing a refreshing contrast to minimalist trends with its focus on comfort, warmth, and personality. Granny Chic decor celebrates the beauty of the past by incorporating elements like floral patterns, vintage textiles, and handcrafted pieces that tell a story. It's more than just a style. It's a movement towards creating spaces that feel like home. When paired with the clean lines and natural materials of the modern farmhouse, this decor style transforms spaces into welcoming havens that invite you to relax and reminisce. We'll explore how these two aesthetics come together to create environments that are both functional and heartwarmingly personal, showcasing examples of how you can infuse Granny Chic elements into your modern farmhouse to create a space that's uniquely yours. Choosing the right color palette is essential in blending Granny Chic with a modern farmhouse aesthetic. The colors you choose can transform the atmosphere of your home, making it either a tranquil retreat or a vibrant sanctuary. Here's how to select the perfect hues. Earthy neutrals. Begin with a foundation of warm whites, soft creams, and earthy browns. These neutrals serve as a calming backdrop, allowing the textures and vintage elements of Granny Chic to stand out without overwhelming the space. They also reflect the modern farmhouse's affinity for natural materials, creating a seamless integration between the two styles. Pops of color. While neutrals ground the space, introducing vibrant hues adds layers of depth and personal expression. Consider blush pink for a subtle touch of romance, or go bold with vintage teal to bring a dynamic flair to your decor. These colors can appear in floral prints on cushions, drapes, or even wallpaper, serving as focal points that draw the eye and add character. Accent colors. Use accent colors strategically to enhance the visual interest of a room. Brightly colored throw pillows, blankets, or curtains can transform an otherwise neutral space into a lively and engaging environment. Opt for hues that complement the primary color palette while still offering a contrast, like mustard yellow or sage green, to maintain a balanced and harmonious look. This thoughtful approach to color not only beautifies the space, but also ensures that each element works harmoniously to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that's characteristic of both Granny Chic and modern farmhouse styles. Integrating key furniture pieces is essential in achieving the perfect blend of Granny Chic and modern farmhouse aesthetics. Each piece not only serves a functional purpose, but also contributes significantly to the overall style and feel of your home. Here's how to select furniture that enhances both the comfort and charm of your space. Vintage finds. Begin with vintage finds that carry a story, such as repurposed armoires, dressers, or sideboards featuring distressed paint. These pieces add character and history to any room, embodying the Granny Chic essence. Look for items with unique details like carved wood, faded finishes, or original hardware, which can serve as focal points in your decor. Comfortable seating. No Granny Chic modern farmhouse is complete without ample and comfortable seating. Opt for oversized armchairs, cozy sofas, or vintage rocking chairs, which invite relaxation. Enhance these seating options with patterned cushions or throws that add both comfort and visual interest. Choose upholstery in soft, inviting fabrics like cotton or linen, which reflect the rustic yet cozy nature of both styles. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood and highlighting the unique elements of your decor. Choose statement pieces such as chandeliers with crystal drops for a touch of elegance, antique lamps with floral shades for a soft, warm glow, or rustic pendant lights that complement the farmhouse aesthetic. These lighting choices not only illuminate your space, but also act as decorative elements that enhance the overall design theme. Incorporating these key furniture pieces will help create a cohesive look that marries the nostalgia of Granny Chic with the rustic appeal of a modern farmhouse, making your space both functional and stylishly inviting. To fully embrace the Granny Chic style within a modern farmhouse setting, it's all about the details. Adding specific touches can elevate the coziness and charm of your space, making it feel both curated and personal. Here's how to integrate these elements effectively. Textiles. Textiles play a significant role in achieving the Granny Chic look. Incorporate crocheted blankets, vintage quilts, and embroidered tablecloths to add layers of warmth and texture. These items not only serve functional purposes, but also bring in patterns and colors typical of Granny Chic decor. Draping a hand-crocheted throw over a modern sofa or displaying a vintage quilt at the foot of a bed can bridge the gap between old and new. Floral arrangements. Florals are a quintessential part of Granny Chic decor, adding a touch of romance and a connection to nature. Use fresh or dried floral arrangements in vintage vases or rustic pitchers to sprinkle natural beauty throughout your home. Even small bouquets placed in the kitchen or bathroom can infuse daily living spaces with life and color. Personal touches. Personalizing your space is crucial in creating a home that reflects your unique style and history. Display family photos in vintage frames, showcase antique books on a modern shelf, or arrange a collection of vintage china in an open cabinet. These personal touches not only add interest and nostalgia, but also make your modern farmhouse feel genuinely yours. By focusing on these decorative elements, you can successfully blend Granny Chic aesthetics with modern farmhouse designs, creating a home that's both stylish and deeply comforting. Successfully merging Granny Chic decor with a modern farmhouse style involves more than just placing old and new elements together. It requires a thoughtful approach to ensure cohesiveness and harmony throughout your home. Here's how to bring all the elements together for a seamless and stylish aesthetic. Balance. Achieving a balanced decor involves carefully blending the rustic simplicity of the modern farmhouse with the ornate, nostalgic elements of Granny Chic. Focus on creating a dialogue between the old and the new by juxtaposing modern clean lines with vintage curves and patterns. For instance, a sleek modern table can be paired with antique chairs, or a contemporary room layout can be softened with plush vintage textiles. Embrace the imperfect. One of the charms of Granny Chic is its celebration of imperfection. Embrace distressed furniture, worn textiles, and handcrafted decor to add authenticity and character to your space. These elements resonate well with the modern farmhouse's appreciation for craftsmanship and natural materials, creating a lived-in, welcoming environment. Personalize. Lastly, infuse your space with your personal touches that reflect your tastes and memories. This could be through artwork, heirlooms, or unique finds that tell your story. Creating a space that feels personal and unique is the essence of making a house a home. By curating items that have personal significance, you're not just decorating, you're building an environment that truly feels like your own. By focusing on balance, embracing imperfection, and personalizing your space, you can create a modern farmhouse that beautifully incorporates Granny Chic decor. This approach ensures your home is not only stylish and cohesive, but also a true reflection of your personal aesthetic and lifestyle.